Saturday, and you know what I do on Saturday, extra jobs I do is just for extra money. Today I'm teaching my son another lesson. If I'm teaching him, I'm teaching you. Today we got called to $1 million home, but the tree guys warned me on something. They warned me that the tree had concrete in it. Years ago, in certain parts of the country, when a tree had holes in it, especially like oak trees or silver maple trees, they used to pour concrete in the holes. And that concrete would travel down and follow the voids, fill it up. And the guys that find it now are either the guys making the last cut or our stump guys. So what this one has, the last piece of concrete here, this is a red oak, has concrete here, and they found it. Right here you'll see, this was their saw cut, all right? So they damaged 3 chains going through here. They thought there was metal in here, but there was some metal, because there was also nails put in here. Right, there's nails here and stuff, and then they poured. Things were done weird back then. All right, they used to climb trees with buckets and pour concrete down them too, or shove stuff, pour liquid concrete down. If you bring your camera over here, you'll see on the red oak, you'll see it's hollow all the way down. You'll see there's the concrete, and you'll see it goes way down there, another hollow. So what I did was I ground at an angle this way. I stopped when I got to the concrete. Yes, carbide teeth, you can grind through concrete, but it will damage your teeth, all right? So I'm doing this smart way. We came in this way, we stopped. I'll come in this way, I'll stop. Come in this way, I'll stop. There's also an electrical line here. They used to run tubing and run it up the trees for lights. The line is going that way, so we have no problem with a line. So, when I get over here, hopefully we'll be able to vibrate or get underneath this so we can pull this chunk out. I'm going to start grinding. When I'm done grinding, we'll see where we're at. So once again, we came in this way, I'll come in this way, and come in this way, and all we got is a small little chunk here to get out. See you in a few minutes. Ready? All right. This is what you need to know about red oaks too. They fail after a certain period of time. Around here. See how the root system fails on it? They start getting holes. And look, we got all the way around our concrete. Barely nipped it a little bit, but that rock's loose. When I come around this other corner, that rock will, actually not a rock, the piece of concrete will come out like nothing. Okay? So hang with me. See you back. We went around that side, this side. See that it's loose here? Either I use an axe or a sledgehammer, or a little bit of force. Now you see what failed in the tree, okay? Whole bottom subsection of the tree failed. Red oaks are really prone to this, all right? So, the tree company thought I was going to charge them more for this because it's concrete. They could take really good care of me, but they really good care of them. I said this job was no problem. They feed me once every week. Anyway, that's it for this week. I'll be back at the office all cleaned up. Talk about concrete. Hey. We're back home, we're cleaned up. I just want to tell you guys, thank you very much for even watching the videos. You know, my son's come into the business with me and I'm training him every day. This has been week number 4. It's been a really godsend and blessing. We have a great time together, and it's just nice teaching your son, you know, things that you've learned. You know, no one taught me. These are all things that I had to learn the hard way. Anyway, if you do find something in the stump, like rock or concrete, you could have a rock bar, you could have a pick, but there's other guys out there also that, you know, you could have a rotary, it's called rotary hammers. Basically, they're either electric powered chisels, and you can break stuff out that way too if you come across something really bad or really big. But as you saw, that smaller stuff is really no problem to get out. And you got to learn your grinder. Okay, even you got a small machine, a 252 or something like that, grind around it, get really good with your controls to where you can get really close to things and you're not going to have a problem, all right? You may lose a tooth or break a piece of carbide off or whatever. That's something that you factor in the job. Typically, you would charge more, all right, if they gave you prior knowledge that there was something in it. And but this tree guy, he sends me a lot of work, and he called me. He said, Mr. Adam, you're gonna have trouble. There's concrete in there, whatever. I said, let me come out, let me look at it. We're doing stuff so long to where it's easy for me. Other people get overwhelmed by stuff. So taught my son, taught you. Hopefully you learned something today. Remember, if you're not learning something new every day, you must be dead. Please don't forget about the sticker deal. Very easy to win the stickers. I'll put them in after this. I'll run them, the 3 stickers we still have. And I've got a new one coming out. And I want it to be something about blue collar. So people in general, just not stump grinding. I don't care what. If you work blue collar, I want you to work towards being a millionaire. It's not as hard as you think. It's a mindset. All right. I can teach anyone how to do it, but it's up to you if you follow through with it. All right. And, it's not about the money. It's about the mindset and changing your family tree. And I'm doing that with my son every day. Each generation is still supposed to do a notch better than the other. All right. In order to win the sticker, every week, all you got to do is in the comment, you got to make a like on the video. You got to make a comment as long as it's positive. It could be a question in the comment section as long as it's positive. Every now and then I get some hee-haws out there or whatever, and you never get to see them because I delete them. Even I got people trying to promote porn or whatever. I quickly catch it and delete it. This is a strange world we're in now. Anyway, so there's 3 stickers. The one my son drew, the Stump Grinding Mafia one, and then there's the other one over here. My saying that came up with, remember, if you're not learning something new every day, you must be dead. So all you got to do is like, you got to be a subscriber, all right? And then you've got to make the comment. And then every Sunday morning before I even put up this video, the week before video, I post on there, hey, you're a winner of the sticker and all. And all you got to do is email me. And I send you my email. And it's also listed in the deals. And if someone really wants a sticker really bad or whatever, send me an email. I'll tell you how to get one. All right. You guys have been very supportive to me, and I want to support you back. Oh, one more quick thing. I don't want to bore you, but in November, there's a TCI. It's Tree Care Industry. It's a trade show. I should be there. And my brother will be there with me. Another one of my tree guys here will be there. Matter of fact, there'll be a bunch of guys from my area there. And all the new equipment's there. I suggest if you want to get in the stump grinding business or tree business or you just like equipment, to go to the show. I think it's free, and it's going to be in Indianapolis, Indiana. And it'll be November. You can Google it, and I'll see if I can find a link and put it down there. If you're somewhere in that region, I suggest going. All these years I never went, but this time I'm going. You'll see me hanging around either the Green Teeth booth or Bandit or Vermeer or somebody that, hell. All the stump grinding manufacturers should be there, and I'll be wandering around their booths. And I'll have either a shirt on that says Mustang Rebuilder or Stump Grinding Mafia. You'll be able to pick me out or find me in a stupid crowd. And if you do, don't be afraid. Walk up to me. I'm just a regular old fat bastard. Nice guy to talk to you. All right? I don't know everything, but I've been around a long time. And remember, I still learn something new every day. And I learn a lot from you guys, too. Because you guys write me great emails. And if you started in that business, I don't care what it's in, and you're doing well, send me a shout out. And if you send me something, a shirt, I don't care if it's a business card, a hat, or whatever, I'll wear it and shout your business out for free. All right? So God bless you. See you on the next one, all right?